Hello, TeknoPoint family. I hope everyone is well. As always, we continue to recommend and review the best on this channel. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Today on our YouTube channel, we're diving into the world of entertainment with the TCL C645 QLED TV. Get ready to experience stunning visuals and immersive audio without breaking the bank. Let's explore what makes this TV a strong contender in the 4K HDR market. Immersive visuals with HDR support. The TCL C645K delivers accurate SDR and HDR images, ensuring a captivating viewing experience whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite content. With comprehensive HDR support, including Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG, every scene comes to life with vibrant colors and enhanced contrast. Optimized for gaming gamers. Rejoice! With very low input lag and TCL's Game Master feature, the C645K offers smooth and responsive gaming performance. Enjoy immersive gameplay without the worry of image retention or screen burn-in, thanks to the LCD panel technology. While it may not support the latest gaming features like HDMI 2.1, the TV's ALM capability ensures seamless transitions into game mode for an optimized gaming experience. Feature-packed Smart TV experience. Powered by Android TV 11.0, the TCL C645K offers a user-friendly smart TV experience with access to all your favorite streaming apps, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more. Enjoy stunning 4K resolution and immersive audio enhancements like Dolby Atmos and DDTS Virtual X for a cinematic viewing experience right in your living room. Enhanced audio and connectivity experience. Immersive sound with Dolby Atmos support and DTS Virtual X audio enhancements. Connect seamlessly to your other devices via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Chromecast, and enjoy the convenience of built-in Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa compatibility for hands-free control, robust TV tuner, and convenient features. The TCL C645K comes equipped with a built-in TV tuner and electronic program guide, EPG, for easy navigation and access to your favorite channels. While there may be some limitations with UK TV catch-up services, TCL offers a workaround with a Roku stick for added convenience. Experience gaming like never before. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the TCL C645K delivers an exceptional gaming experience with low input lag and advanced gaming features. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals and responsive gameplay for hours of entertainment. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to follow all technology-related products and short, useful information. We love you.